What up, level 5, coming time. It's your hostess with the mostest, Mr. J. And now, in week 4/5, or whatever week we're on, of arc welding, we're going to finish up our introduction to arc welding this week. We're going to do 2 more positions. Today's video brought to you by NST is the way to go. Call 683-7000. It's a flat position. The flat position, y'all, is the easiest of the positions. And it's the one that most of the young boys and girls in class have been doing so far. Let's go to work. Hit the camera with me. 5 hops this time. That's terrific. Yeah. I have tacked. Ooh, that is hot. I have tacked 2 pieces of metal. And what we're going to do is we're going to weld them together. Go straight across. It's considered flat, y'all, because there's no metal that I'm welding upon. I'm just connecting the 2 pieces together. Very simple, very fundamental, and what we've been doing in class up to this point. Let's get it. Good. Ooh, that's hot. Hot. Let's finish her up. Up. Feel the bellow. We actually washed our tank. Our water bucket. We actually got that ready to go. Now, I've connected said 2 pieces of metal. What do you do? We're going to now clean, grind, and or brush our metal to make sure it's appropriate. You notice I got on safety glasses today. That's right, they're real safe. Ta-da! Welding in the flat position. Like I said, that's the easiest of the 4 positions. On the next video with JJ, you can follow on Twitter at JJFFA. I'm also going viral. YouTube, where it's at. I got my own channel, Jerry Johnson. It's going to be huge. All right. Woo. If you got any questions, hit me on the Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, Facebook. Email jjjohnson1@tipton-kenny.com. We'll see you when we see you. Woo.